Every week we seem to get more cooking questions from viewers, and we love it. So keep them coming. And here to bring us today's question is Lexi, our online editor. Welcome, Lex.
Today's question comes from Anna Campbell, who writes, I love fish, but I'm not sure how to tell it's fresh when I buy it. And once I cook it, how do I know it's done properly?
Thanks, Lexi. And Anna, great question. I'm sure lots of other viewers are wondering the same thing. First of all, if your fish is fresh, it should smell like the ocean. If it smells really fishy, that should be a red flag. And as for looks, the flesh should be bright, almost translucent in color, and firm, not mushy. If you're buying the whole fish, the gills should be red, not gray, and the eyes should be bright and not sunken. And once you get the fish home, cook it within a day or so, or freeze it. Don't just let it sit in the fridge. As for how long to cook it, the rule of thumb is 10 minutes for every inch of thickness when we're baking it. But the best way to tell if your fish is cooked, see if it flakes easily with a fork. And to get you started, why not try a standby favorite? It's simply white fish fillets baked in a garlic or butter and finished with a splash of lemon juice that makes this to die for. Want the recipe for what we call fresh catch fish scampi, as well as more tips on how to buy and cook fish? Then go online now. Thanks again, Lexi. And to all of you at home, keep those questions coming so we can continue to find you easier ways to say, ooh, it's so good.